Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
Damn, it's stuck. Look at that. What if one of my keys opens it up? That way we can just take everything for free. The 2 bags full of stuff. Now let's go home, check out what we got. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope everyone is having a pretty good day. First off, before we start, I did get a brand new camera, so hopefully it sounds better and also it looks better. But also, anyways, before we start today, we do have a special guest. This man is the second fastest person in the world with only 1 leg. This guy has climbed Mount Everest 3 times by himself. My brother. Okay, if you guys couldn't tell, obviously I was just playing. But first off, you know people were making fun of you in the last video, because you know why? It was like 2 videos ago. In that video, my brother was applying for a job in a shirt with a girl, literally half naked. People were just like, they were just saying like random stuff. You excited for today's video?
Yeah.
It's pretty crazy. It's gonna be a lot of money. It's gonna be pretty expensive. But we are gonna be going out to a random vending machine out in public. It's not gonna be my machine. It's gonna be literally a random machine and buying every single item from that machine, every bag of chips, every chocolate. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys do, drop a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Let's get right into the video.
Dude, you do long ass intros though. Like it'd be taking 2 minutes. I'm like, I don't fucking care. Just get to the part where you open the machine.
Damn, I feel like half the people feel like that. I feel like my intros aren't even that long. We just got here to the first laundromat. We went to a few other ones just to see which one has the cheapest items, because I'm not really trying to spend a lot of money. I'm not trying to spend a whole lot of money. So I was thinking of which places could have the cheapest items in the vending machine, and number 1, I would think that laundromats have pretty cheap prices. So we got some bags. Let's go inside and buy everything. Here, you want to be the one that buys everything? Now hold the camera. All right.
For real? Yeah, I'm down.
Oh wait, hold up. We almost forgot the most important thing. The bag full of money. There, I know how much money's in there, so don't even think about it. Show them what we got. We got about $100 in dollar bills, and then we got maybe about $20-30 in quarters. Hey, if we get robbed, we're in the middle of nowhere. Real quick, just so you guys can see the prices, we got these small bags of chips for about 75 cents. We got a whole bunch of stuff for 25 cents. It's like these small Rice Krispies. And we got candy for $1, which at most places it's $1.25. So this is actually a pretty cheap vending machine. We got the bags. Now this is where you just start buying everything. Just buy the small stuff first, let it fall down, and then like 5 minutes later, we'll just get everything from down there.
Can I keep it all?
No, you're not gonna keep it all. Wait, let me see. Cause this machine, oh my god. Wait. So yes, we did find the cheapest machine, but we actually found a machine that's all the way full, which could also be bad. Like if you guys see, there's about 10 bags there, 10 bags. Oh my god, it's gonna be so much money. I don't even think I brought enough money, to be honest. So real quick, before we do buy everything, comment down below how much money you think we're gonna spend on this vending machine. How much do you think we're gonna spend? I would say maybe about, how much?
All of it.
All of it?
Dude, does your vending machine say thank you, goodbye?
Does my machine say what?
Thank you, goodbye.
It actually does. For your information. You're still on the brownies?
Yeah.
We've been here like 5 minutes. They come out so slow, that's why it's taking forever. He just said he likes coming with me because every single time he comes with me, we always do dumb stuff like this. You think we should start taking...
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
Damn, it's stuck. Look at that.
I told you it's gonna get stuck.
Oh, look, there we go. Oh my god, we have at least 50 items down there. You're still having fun or what? We've been doing this for like how long? Maybe 10, 15, 20 minutes? Okay, so we have officially ran out of quarters. All we have left, we got 2 quarters?
Yeah, but we gotta buy something that's 50 cents.
Parents planted seeds out the dirt, I rose. Knew I was a star when you born with it, you know. Pockets on swole, full of dead prayers of hoes. Lately I've been flexing like that nigga Rondo. Shorty dated too many niggas I know. Coming from the streets, you know that's a no-no. Quick to send a text, I don't need your convo. Lately I'm ignoring everyone that I thought I know. I pushed too much feelings to the side. I took too many, let that shit slide. I know haters rather see a nigga die. Pop up out the cake with a shawty like surprise. I pushed too much feelings to the side. I took too many, let that shit slide. I know haters rather see a nigga die. Pop up out the cake with a shawty like surprise. It's your birthday.
Okay, that had to be the dumbest thing we could have ever done. Yeah, me too. Guys, I'm sorry. I have no idea why we did that. Let's get back to the video. Lo que quiera. O algo de aquí si quiere. Skittles? Can you give him some Skittles?
Yeah.
No. Wait, don't put more money in. I have an idea. Look, this is a vending machine, right? I have like 10 vending machines. What if one of my keys opens it up? That way we can just take everything for free.
I'll be right back. I think they're calling me in the office real quick.
Oh, you gonna go tell on me? Okay, no. Oh, no, it didn't work. Ah, that's pretty good. Oh my god, that kid failed. What's up? But a quick update, another row that we just emptied out. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13 completely empty. We got 1 full bag and just a small stack of money left.
That's still a lot.
As you can see, we have the whole top of the vending machine completely empty. We actually just ran out of money. Doesn't matter if it's halfway. I still count it. Look at that, $150 completely gone. We got the 2 bags full of stuff. Now let's go home, check out what we got. All right, everyone, we just made it back to the car. As you can see, we weren't... Why we gotta wear seatbelts? As you can see, we were not able to finish the challenge just because we ran out of money. We spent $150 on that snack machine. After you finish watching the video, restart the video, but this time, do not skip the ads. I do get comments every now and then from people saying that they don't skip my ads just because I make videos like this. So shout out to those people that do not skip my ads. I love you guys. Every single machine, they have like a service number from the company that owns the machines, and we were gonna call the company and let them know that we emptied out their machine. So I did write down the number and I want to call them. It's about to be 8 p.m. so I don't think they're open.
Hello?
Hey, is this
Yes, it is.
oh hey, I just want to...
What?
We basically emptied out the snack machine over here on the laundromat on here.
You did what?
We bought everything. Yeah, but we don't work there. Like, we're just like random people, and we got hungry and we went over there to buy everything. I just wanted to like give you like a heads up.
Okay, you probably need to talk to the owner of the business.
Yeah, sounds good.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have a good one.
Oh yeah, you owe me $15.
Nah, where's the change?
No,
You think I
just
forgot?
No, I just remember you owe me $15, dude.
I owe you $15 from what?
Because when I dropped your sodas and then you charged me individually for each soda.
Oh, you gotta make me look like the bad person.
I meant.
Guys, one time, look, come here. We're gonna talk about this right here and then. One time, I told my brother to help me carry out the sodas, the cases of soda, because I was gonna go restock a machine. He had the dolly full of sodas. I think it was about 10 cases. He was carrying the case. He was carrying the dolly, and he drops all of them.
We have a steep street.
Yeah, he drops all the cases. Like half of them got busted.
He charged me individually.
No,
for each.
I just said, you know what, let's not talk about this. You know what, you can keep the money. How much money was left? But anyways, we're about to dump everything over here on the floor just to count it up, see how much things we got. All right, go, just dump it over there. Hey, I said the floor. What are you doing? Oh my God, look at all this. It's like a piñata just cracked on top of me. What if a neighbor is just looking outside the window like, oh, I can't believe I'm neighbors with them.
I hate my neighbors.
This would actually make a pretty good blanket. All you gotta do is just dump a whole bunch of snacks on top of you. We got somebody trying to take our snacks. Look.
It's a ladybug.
I don't even eat junk food anymore, so I was thinking I can actually sell these items in my vending machines, or at least I can try, just because I don't sell like half of the items. For example, the brownies, I don't sell those. 99 and 100. I have 100 items in my bag. How much do you have so far? 97. So a total of 197 items we bought. One more time, there you guys have it. 2 full bags of snacks, $120 later, 2 trash bags later, and 198 snacks is the total that we got. Again, thanks to my brother for helping me out. I'm actually gonna be giving him some of these snacks. The rest of them I might sell them, and I'll let you guys know how good they sell. So real quick before we end the video, if you guys saw my last video, I told you that I did order 6 extra credit card machines, and I'm super excited because they just came in. I just got the package. Also, by the way, not only did I order 6 credit card machines, I also ordered 2 extra coin mechanisms and 2 extra bill acceptors. So first off, we're gonna be opening the 2 coin mechs and the 2 bill acceptors. But anyways, let me go ahead and get that open up for you guys. I don't know if it's just me, but I love unboxing stuff. It feels like Christmas, it feels like my birthday. And here we go. At the very top, we do have the 2 bill acceptors. This right here is the bill acceptor where you put in the bills. But yeah, up here is where I'm going to be collecting those big stacks from those machines. And of course, this is the coin mech where you put in the change to give back to customers. But anyways, now for the best part, the credit card machines. Basically what these are is it lets people know that every single time they use a credit card, it does charge them a 10-cent fee. But this is what we've been waiting for. As y'all can see, look how beautiful those boxes look. I'm going to take out a few just so y'all can see. I have made a video about this in the past past, so I'm not gonna get in depth too much. But over here we do have the credit card machine, and then that is what goes inside the machine, which basically gives the signal to that. Let me know if you guys are excited for the new collection videos, because we should be making more money like I said. But anyways, again, that's gonna be pretty much it for the video. I hope everyone did enjoy. Again, if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, just go down below, click the subscribe button. It takes 2 seconds. But anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. I love you guys.